Sometimes it can be a bit overwhelming to figure out, like, what the hell am I going to pack for a vacation, especially for a place like Vegas. Don't even sweat it. I'm here to make that much easier for you. So make sure you have everything you need by making lists of the essentials I'm going to share with you. Let's get into it.
Ooh, I'm back. So, welcome back. It's your girl Nicole Mercedes, and we're gonna jump right into number one. So the first thing that you need out of the top essential to bring to Vegas is a razor. A travel size razor. You'll be able to put it on your carry-on, have no issues. Definitely need this. Number two, that's an essential, is to bring either travel size wipes or Lysol. I found this at Target, only like $2. Totally need it. You can use it on your plane seat, but also a flight attendant using these in her hotel room once she got to her destination. So if they're using this, you need it. Also on the cleanly list, number three, you need some hand sanitizer. You already know we've been using it for the past couple years. Keep using it. Number four is bags. So this could either be a day or a night bag. So you can have a couple of purses. I know I'm bringing a few bags, probably more than I need, but you're having that. And then you're also gonna need like a casual day bag. So you could probably get a backpack like this. This is like $20 at Target. I live there. And you'd be good to go. The next thing on our list would be a watch. So particularly maybe a smartwatch, just like here. I go everywhere with my Apple Watch, love her down, especially if you're doing physical activities like I'm gonna be doing and you wanna track your workouts. The strip is long. There's a lot to go on in Vegas. Make all your steps count. Next up is a portable charger. I don't leave home without this anymore. Ever since I got caught on the train and my phone was like 10% and I was struggling trying to find an outlet. Use the portable charger and all your worries will be gone. And you can't use a portable charger without the cords. So regular charger, bring all the cords. Everything you need, make sure you pack these. Hey guys, before we go to our next tip, if you are getting value out of this content, please like, comment, and subscribe. Next on the list at number 8 is a portable door lock. I saw a ton of solo travelers on Instagram talking about this, and I was like, let me get into this. So very crucial for your hotel rooms or, Airbnb doors, depending on where you're staying with a group or not. This would be very important to use. Better be safe than sorry. And we all know everybody wilding lately. So why not add an extra security measure? Okay, next on the list is sunscreen. This is something that everybody needs. Doesn't matter the amount of melanin or non-melanin. It doesn't matter if you're melanated or non-melanated. Everyone burns. Some of us more than others, but it is so crucial, especially now with all the global warming. Ozone layer is compared to what it used to be. The rays, they hitting like they never used to hit before. And in Vegas, there ain't no shade. It's just desert. After you apply your sunscreen, number 10 is a swimsuit. So obviously in Vegas, one of the top things to do is a day party. So why not get cute? Give yourself a couple of different options to find a little cute swimsuit. You want to be cute but comfortable. And on top of that swimsuit, clearly bring a cover up. I don't suggest going into establishments. You might not even be allowed to go into certain places without having cover up. Don't just go. You're not at the shore. Don't just go in a bathing suit. Give yourself a little cute cover up to go get some drinks, get some lunch, and then go back to the festivities. So number 12 on the list are water shoes. I'm going kayaking out in Arizona when I go to Vegas, and one of the main things they said, like, you have to have water shoes. I'm also going hiking there too, so I feel like I probably should have bought a pair of shoes that was like a little bit thicker than the ones that I have. I'm a little concerned, but I mean, they also were $12 on Amazon, so like, you get what you pay for. Now, I can't really use number 13 while my hair is looking like this. But for everyone who can, buy a hat. You need a hat. Like I said before, there's no shade. I might have to buy a visor, actually. Maybe I'll do that. If you plan on staying outside a long period of time, whether that's walking on the strip, if you're going ATV riding in the desert, whatever you plan on staying outside for a long period of time, please get something to protect your face and your scalp from the sun. And speaking of sun protection, number 14 are a pair of cute sunglasses. Bam! Yeah. So I'm gonna be wearing these kayaking, but then, you know, you need options. So this is kayaking, and then when I'm going out and decide to go, hey, for brunch, a whole nother look. But outside of looking cute, this again, protect your eyes. And at number 15, flip-flops. So of course, if you're going to the pool or you're just walking around your hotel quick and you don't feel like putting on some sneakers, just put the flip-flops on, slip them on, keep it pushing. And at number 16, you want to bring some heels and or some dress shoes. These clubs are very strict with their dress code. So it all depends. I mean, you could chance it. I know people who've gone and might have gone in with a pair of flats or sandals, but I've seen people get turned away at the door. So it is up to you. And to go along with those heels, you need a going out outfit or plural outfits, depending on how long you're going. I'm gonna be in Vegas for a week, and I'm partying for like half the time, so I'm bringing at least about like 5 or 6 options. I like to be prepared, so prepare yourself. And of course, you're not gonna party all the time at every minute, but you also need some casual outfits. So, you know, little crop top, short situation, just so you can go grab some quick food while you're, you know, maybe traveling to do another activity. So you just need stuff that's comfortable, and also travel in comfortable clothes. I guess that would also lead into bring a light jacket or a thin sweater, because depending on the time of year that you go, it could be 80 degrees during the day, and then by the time, remember, it is the desert. And by the time 9 o'clock rolls around, it could drop to like 70, and then by 10:30, you're looking at about 60 degrees. Okay, so at number 20, you want to bring a travel size first aid kit. I didn't think I would need this, but I did. Pack Tylenol in it, some ibuprofen, and also depending on your heels or your sandals, pack Band-Aids. Band-Aids and some ointment. I have the scars to prove that I was walking around a little too long in my sandals, and my sandals like just was cutting up my foot. Okay, at number 21, you need to bring some lip balm or chapstick. Again, the sun. So with the sun beaming down in your face, on top of the fact, if you're drinking alcoholic beverages a lot, you could dry up. It's called dehydration. Your lips, you gotta moisturize your lips. It's very crucial. So speaking of dehydration, you need a collapsible water bottle. I love this thing. Bought it from Amazon. I think it was like $8 or $9. So you can either collapse it down, or I have a hook on mine and I can like hook it to my bag. So I'm gonna be taking this hot kayaking, and at least you have this. You wouldn't, also you'll save, because they want a water bottle like this size in Vegas, right? I think right now it's like $5. So instead of paying $5 for that, why not bring your own water bottle that you can refill constantly, and that will cost you nothing. So at number 23, you need a pair of comfortable shoes, comfortable sneakers to be precise. This strip is long. It's a couple of miles. So you want to be real comfortable. We walked, I think I averaged, not even kidding, I might have averaged like 4 miles a day one of the last times I went. So if you plan on walking, it also saves you money because Uber and Lyft are wilding right now. And taxis. So if you want to save a little money when you can during the day, if you're not clubbing, You can walk everywhere. You can take. Okay, we're coming up on our last two. Number 24 are earplugs. So I heard recently that, especially for most of us, if you haven't been partying, this will be the first time actually going in a club in like 3.5-ish years. And I'm trying to, I think my memory's coming back now as to how loud the speakers used to be, especially if you got stuck at a party next to the speaker and you're like, ow. So put those little bad boys in and you'll be good to go. And at number 25, something very crucial you need. Government ID. I don't just, if you're gonna use your passport, I also use, I'm forgetting the hell. Your license. Oh my God, Nicole. I need an app. I would suggest making copies. Again, I saw another solo traveler doing this, that making copies of your form, like make forms on your phone of like your license, or more importantly, if you're traveling with your passport, to use it just in case you lose it or somebody robs you. At least you have identification that can get you through like while you're on your trip. Before we go, I have 2 bonus tips for you. Major. So one, obviously, bring a camera. So I'm using my Canon M50 right now, but if you're worried about traveling with a big camera, boom, get you a GoPro. I just bought this. I love you. I love you already. So simple, so easy to travel with, but also bring an extra battery just in case, because if you can shoot a lot, these don't have the greatest like battery life, so definitely having an extra one would be perfect. And lastly of my tip, I got sick when I went to Vegas last time. Clearly I drank way too much, and I drink a lot, and between of like drinking a lot and then going outside, it's really hot, and then coming inside where our hotel room was so freaking cold, and like I was freezing. I was shaking at night. Even when I got, I was like, I'm cold. And what happened? I got sick. So bring these bad boys. You need some Halls, any type of cough drops. What is the one with the with them people? Ricolas. Yes, you need those. After like 2 days, I like probably had like 4 Halls a day. And I felt so much better. And then I was fine. But throats, like I was looking for throat spray out there. $12. No. Halls. Cough drops, Walmart, Target, ShopRite, wherever. Get you some. Well, those are the top 25 essential items plus 2 bonus tips that you would need when you go to Vegas. Thank you guys for watching. If you liked it, please give it a big thumbs up, comment, subscribe, share with your girlies. And when I say girlies, that is like gender neutral. That's for everybody. So he, she, they, whomever. Oh, and happy Pride. See you guys in Vegas. Bye.